Hello friends, I am Megha Sharma, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of College. Welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on equation of plane in 3-point form. First of all, we have to find the equation of plane passing through 3 points, that is x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 and z3. For this, let the given equation of plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. The given plane is passing through 3 points, so we can write a x1 plus b y1 plus c z1 plus d equals to 0 and a x2 plus b y2 plus c z2 plus d equals to 0 and a x3 plus b y3 plus c z3 plus d equals to 0. Now eliminating a, b, c and d from equation 2, 3 and 4 with the help of determinants, we can write x, y, z1, x1, y1, z1, 1, x2, y2, z2, 1, x3, y3, z3, 1 equals to 0, which is the required equation of plane. For example, we have to find the equation of plane passing through 3 points 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 2 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2. By using a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus g c z minus z1 is equal to 0, we can write the equation of plane passing through 3 points, that is a x minus 0 plus b y minus 1 plus c z minus 1 is equal to 0. So, since the given plane is also passing these 2 points, so we can write a plus 0 into b plus c equals to 0 and a minus b plus 3c is equal to 0. Now by the cross multiplication we can write a upon 1 is equal to b upon minus 2 is equal to c upon minus 1 is equal to k. Now from first and fourth proportional we can write a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to minus k. Now substitute the value of a, b and c in equation. First we can write kx minus 2k, y minus 1 minus k, z minus 1 is equal to 0. After solving this equation, we can write x minus 2y minus z plus 3 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of plane. Thank you for listening me. For further details, please contact www.gurukpo.com.